Something surprising is happening with the way people think about their homes. Many people are no longer asking, how big of a house can I afford? They are asking a different question. How can my home make my life easier, less expensive, and more enjoyable? A growing number of people are changing what they value. They're looking for homes that require less maintenance, cost less to operate, and give them more freedom. This shift is changing housing, organization, energy use, and retirement planning. Welcome back to Contain Your Life. If you're thinking about downsizing, building an off-grid home, preparing for emergencies, or creating a simpler and more organized lifestyle, this video is for you. I have created practical planning guides designed to help you organize your ideas, avoid expensive mistakes, and make important decisions with confidence. These planners are based around real-life situations many people face when creating a simpler future. My Downsizing Planner helps you decide what stays, what goes, and how to create a home that fits your next chapter. My Off-Grid Building Planner helps organize the many steps involved in creating an alternative home. The Off-Grid Building Checklist helps you keep track of important details. The Off-Grid Emergency Planner helps you prepare for unexpected situations. The Moving Planner helps simplify one of life's most stressful transitions. I also created the Elderly Notes Planner to help families organize important information and make future planning easier. You can find these planners through my Etsy shop and Amazon. The links are provided in the description. So what is causing this major shift? The answer is simple. People are realizing that more space does not always create a better life. A larger home can also mean more maintenance, higher costs, and more responsibility. For many retirees, the goal is changing. Instead of spending their time cleaning, repairing, and maintaining a large property, they want more time for family, hobbies, travel, gardening, and experiences. This does not mean everyone wants a tiny home. It means people are becoming more intentional. They want a home designed around their lifestyle instead of changing their lifestyle to fit their home. Another major change is happening inside homes. People are moving away from simply buying more storage containers. The new focus is creating systems that save time and reduce daily stress. The old idea was to buy more bins and hide more things. The new idea is to own with purpose. Every item should have a place, a reason, and a role in making life easier. This trend is especially important for smaller homes, RVs, cabins, and off-grid living spaces. When every square foot matters, organization becomes a financial decision. A well-designed small space can feel larger, function better, and save money. The goal is not owning less just for the sake of owning less. The goal is creating a home that supports the life you want. One of the biggest changes happening in housing is the growing interest in alternative living. For many people, off-grid living is no longer just a dream. It's becoming a practical option for those looking for lower expenses and more independence. The reasons are different for everyone. Some people want fewer monthly bills. Some want more control over their energy. Others simply want a home that feels more connected to nature and easier to maintain. A well-planned off-grid home is not about giving up comfort. Modern systems can provide many of the same conveniences people expect from traditional homes. The difference is that the homeowner has more control. Solar power, battery storage, efficient appliances, water systems, and smart technology are making alternative homes more practical than ever. The biggest factor is planning. A poorly planned system can become expensive. A well-planned system can save money for years. Another important change is happening with retirees. Many people are rethinking what retirement should look like. They are not just looking for a smaller home, they are looking for a smarter home. For many older adults, accessibility becomes more important over time. Single-level designs are becoming more attractive because they reduce stairs, simplify daily living, and allow people to stay comfortable longer. A home that works today should also work tomorrow. That's why thoughtful design matters. The best homes are not just beautiful. They're practical. This is where planning becomes extremely important. A mistake made during the design stage can cost thousands of dollars later. A good plan can prevent frustration, wasted money, and unnecessary changes. If you're considering downsizing or creating an alternative home, my planners were designed to help organize this exact process. They give you a place to record ideas, compare options, and create a step-by-step plan. Another major trend is how people are choosing to spend their money. Many consumers are moving away from buying more things. They are investing in products and improvements that save time, reduce expenses, and improve daily life. People are spending money on convenience. They're buying tools that reduce chores, improve efficiency, and make their homes easier to manage. Time has become one of the most valuable things people own. This is why products that solve problems continue to grow. Energy-saving devices, smart technology, organization systems, gardening equipment, and emergency preparedness supplies all connect to one common goal: making life simpler. Technology is also changing how homes operate. Smart systems can help homeowners monitor energy use, schedule appliances, and make better decisions about electricity. For off-grid homeowners, energy management can be especially important. Using power at the right time can help reduce waste and get more value from solar and battery systems. The future of housing is not only about building smaller, it's about building smarter. A comfortable home should help you save money, save time, and support the lifestyle you want. While some things are becoming more popular, other things are slowly changing. Many people are questioning purchases that create more work, take up too much space, or cost more money over time. Large homes with unused rooms, complicated maintenance, and expensive operating costs are becoming less attractive to many homeowners. The focus is shifting from having more space to having better space. People are also becoming more careful about buying cheap products that need to be replaced again and again. Quality, durability, and usefulness are becoming more important. When you look at all of these trends together, a bigger picture starts to appear. People are not simply changing where they live, they're changing what they believe a home should do for them. A home is becoming more than a place to store possessions. It's becoming a tool for saving money, protecting your time, supporting your health, and creating more freedom. The most important trend is not a certain type of house. It's not a specific technology. It's not even a certain product. The biggest trend is intentional living. People are asking better questions. Do I need this much space? Do I want this much maintenance? Does my home support the life I want to live? Those questions can lead to better decisions. Whether someone chooses a smaller home, an off-grid property, an RV lifestyle, or simply a more organized house, the goal is the same: a home that works for them. If you're planning your next move, downsizing, creating an emergency plan, or building an off-grid home, check out my planners. They can help you organize the process. They were created to help you take ideas and turn them into action. Thank you for watching Contain Your Life. I hope this video gave you new ideas and helped you think differently about your home, your future, and the way you want to live. Do not forget to like and subscribe. We appreciate your support, and we will see you in the next video.